Hello guys, today we're gonna be playing dumpling squishy race. Let's see. How does he have a green dumpling and I have a white one? No, my dumpling is really bad. I don't really like it.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here with my cousin. We're playing
Dumpling race, actually.
Dumpling race, sorry. What am I supposed to do?
Get your daily gifts. It gives you 100 wins. Next to the spin, guys, and I forgot to tell you, how do they get a green dumpling? I want a green dumpling.
Oh, there's the squishy thing. Oh, so you can get green dumplings.
Squishy.
The blue dumpling. I have blue dumpling. Oh my god.
How? How do you get a blue dumpling?
I bought it for 100 wins.
Oh, I bought the 100 wins. Well, I bought the 100 wins. A pet. That's why when I jump, the rope turns very high and I jump really high. Then I land on my butt. Okay, I need to click.
I'm clicking.
Oh, you actually, when you reach the furthest, you don't need to click.
Oh yeah, I don't need to click, guys.
I need to open the egg. I got a dog. Let's go.
Should I leave that? Yeah. Okay, so let's have I
Guys,
got a dog.
guys, how does my cousin have a literal blue dumpling?
You don't even know how to get dumplings, guys. Oh my god.
You think I don't know how to get dumplings?
He just figured out how to get dumplings, which is sad. Actually,
Well, you don't have Maddie as your partner.
I don't want Maddie as my partner.
You don't have
Actually, I
Maddie
do
as your
have her as my partner. What the heck are we doing?
What? We're bouncing. What? I don't.
We're bouncing.
Guys, I don't like this movement. I don't like this kind of movement.
Wait, keep the energy high. Oh yeah, she's actually motivating me. Let's go.
What does he even do? 50%
Motivates.
speed, 30 acceleration. Push harder.
Guys, I'm actually going so far. You're doing awesome. Yeah, thank you, Maddie. I love you.
Okay.
Ooh, I'm actually doing
Guys, I want to get 20 wins.
Okay, I got
Oh,
another
oh,
dog.
oh, I'm bouncing.
Hello, dog. No offense.
Guys, I'm bouncing. Oh, jump. You can't move over there. What time's our race?
Okay, let's go, Maddie.
Dot from Maddie.
How fast are you?
1,000.
How do I say my fast?
105,000 baby. Guys, I finally got a green dumpling.
I'm how?
75.
How do I upgrade my speed?
You need to go on the trampoline.
Oh,
You didn't see the trampoline.
because everything's like close to
Guys, I'm gonna go get 20 wins.
got another dog, seriously.
Dog. Hey, dog.
I hate dogs. I hate dogs in this game.
Well, you hate my dog in real life.
Guys, this dog bites.
No, he doesn't.
He does?
He-
When he
No, and not he doesn't bite anymore. No, like seriously. Only when you come in, he barks and then sniffs you and then just goes away. But she's scared of it. My dog. It's not scary.
Then why does it have sharp
Every dog has sharp teeth.
teeth?
Every dog has sharp teeth. What do you mean? Even chihuahuas have sharp teeth.
Of course, Joel has
But they shouldn't have sharp
How
teeth.
much you got?
1,000.
Wow.
I'm just built like that.
Good job.
Wait. Actually, no, I have 755.
So you're a liar.
I'm gonna rebirth. I rebirthed. I lost all my power. Now I have 100.
I'm not gonna outvote you. That's not. Actually, I'm not making a video about this.
I already rebirthed.
I'm gonna do the same stuff.
No, it's not. It's the best game of all time. Oh my god, what is this? 3 Robux eggs tomorrow? I mean, Robux dumplings? Golden machine. Farts on the golden machine. Ooh, a spin. Dumplings. Click.
But this is not how they're gonna eat. Wait, no.
Wait. Can you open the lights? No, like
I
seriously.
like it like this.
I'm not like seriously open the lights.
Are you?
Can you lower the volume? Trying to make his video here.
Wait, I got it. It's not. No, it's someone private.
Guys. You're very important every day. Thanks.
I used to play that dumpling game.
Yes, and I'm still recording. It's really fun. You should join. The 100 wins! Not today, buddy boy. Wins. Let's go. Now I got 54 wins. Ooh, in my gifts I'm gonna get 100 spades. Good, right, let me click. So now I'm way faster. I should be first place, yes. But this game is not fair, so it's not putting me first place. Ew. Not like seriously. Ew. Stop. Remove it.
I can't. Okay, guys. Six, 7, 9, so we go all right.
And guys, that'll be it for today.